2025. This is the year AI video explodes. Every single week, a new model drops, more powerful, more realistic, getting closer and closer to whatever crazy idea we can type into a prompt. The physics are better, the quality is insane, and the control they give us is unprecedented. But there's a catch. The big players, they want a fortune for it. They want you to believe that to get the absolute best, you have to pay a price that could buy a small car. Forget that. Forget paying for Veo 3. Right now, it is not worth it, because today, I'm showing you the tool they don't want you to find. It's more than just video, it's an entire creative suite. It's ridiculously cheap, and I'm gonna show you how to get started right now for free. And no, this isn't a sponsor. This is a public service announcement. Listen, before I hand over the keys to the kingdom, if you appreciate me digging deep to find these absolute game changers, do me one quick favor. Hitting that subscribe button, giving the video a like, and ringing that little bell is completely free for you, but it allows me to keep creating this high-value content. It means the world. Done? Okay, let's blow the doors off this thing. The tool is called Kling AI, and the company behind it, Kuaishou, the main rival to TikTok in China. While everyone was distracted by the big names, they were in the shadows, building the platform that would undercut them all. So let's dive straight into its crown jewel, the star of the show, image to video. On my screen, you can see we're choosing the most powerful model they have, Kling 2.1 Master. I've been running some tests, and you just need to see this for yourself. Okay, look, here we have this image, a wise-looking owl in some kind of library or office. It's a cool image, right? Now, watch what happens when we feed it a simple prompt. Boom. In minutes, it creates this. Look at the subtle head turn, the way the lighting stays perfectly consistent, the background remaining completely locked in place. It just works. The movement is flawless. It feels real in a way that other models still don't. Before we jump into the most important part, I want to quickly recommend NordVPN, the tool I personally use to stay secure online. With NordVPN, you can instantly connect to servers in over 60 countries, so you can try out new AI tools or apps that aren't available in your country, and watch movies or shows that are normally blocked in your region. It's super fast, very easy to use, and it keeps all your data safe from hackers and trackers. And the best part? If you check it out through my link in the description or the pinned comment, you'll get over 70% off your plan. More privacy, more freedom, and a huge discount. Don't miss it. All right, let's do another one. This Lego guy. We gave it one single, simple instruction. Wave your hand. No complex animation keyframes, no 3D rigging, just 2 words. And look at that. The physics, the motion, it understands the request perfectly. But this is where it gets absolutely insane. You see this button here? Lip sync. We can choose a voice, type anything we want him to say. We hit generate and
Bye-bye, Tachia. See you soon.
Boom. The rules of creation are officially broken. This is the power they were supposed to have, and now it's yours. But look closer on the screen. See these start and end tabs? This right here is a director's dream. For this trick, we have to switch to Kling 1.6.
So we upload our starting image here and our ending image right here. We let the AI figure out the entire journey between them. We hit generate. A few seconds later, you get this. What a masterpiece. It flawlessly creates the transition, the camera motion, the transformation of the scene. It's basically your AI co-director. And it gets even easier. When you upload an image, you can hit this Deep Seek button. It analyzes your image and your prompt and then writes a far more detailed, more cinematic prompt for you. It's like having a professional prompt engineer built right into the platform. Oh, and you need sound? It has a built-in sound effects generator. Right now, completely free, it will create audio to match your video. We're not just making silent clips here, we're making full scenes. Okay, this next part, this is for anyone who has ever wasted days of their life trying to learn After Effects. Just go to this Effects tab and look at this library. This is hours and hours of tedious work reduced to a single click. Let's test this one right here. Jump drop. I upload a picture of myself. I let it generate an idle style image first. Confirm. and generate the video. Look at that. In seconds, a mind-blowing result that would have taken me half a day to replicate manually. Let's try another one. Same thing. First try, another insane result. This isn't just a tool, it's a cheat code for content creators. But Kling is still hiding more. This sound generation tab is criminally underrated. Let's just put in a mood. Action and suspense. In seconds, 4 different professional-grade tracks for your videos, your trailers, your ads. Seriously, try this. It's an absolute goldmine. Then there's this feature, which is just wild. AI Virtual Try-On. You upload a character, you upload an item of clothing, and in seconds, it merges them flawlessly. Look, it keeps the character's face, pose, and lighting, but perfectly drapes the new clothes onto them. The potential for this is huge. And last, but definitely not least, image generation. People forget this is even here. Let's type a simple prompt. The Earth from the Moon. These look completely real. But we can do more than just generate. We can upscale. We can remove parts of the image. We can edit. Let's hit expand. And there you go. The scene is now wider, more epic. And this is the point. Kling AI isn't just one of the best video models on the planet. It's an all-in-one toolbox. It is the Swiss Army knife for the modern creator. Animate any image, direct a full scene from start to finish, create Hollywood-level VFX with a single click, generate the soundtrack for it, design the concept art, all in one place. All for a fraction of the cost of the big guys? The power of content creation has been officially broken open. It is no longer locked away in their expensive labs. It's yours.
All the links are down below. Use that link to get your free credits and 50% off your first month. Go create something impossible. And hey, if you made it this far and found this useful, you already know what to do. A like and a subscribe would be amazing so you don't miss the next secret I uncover. Thanks for watching.